Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. This is an A-level physics exam style question, and this question is about momentum and energy. Please pause the video and try this question. When you want to check the answer, continue the video. A bullet of mass m travels at velocity v and embeds in a wooden block of mass M suspended from a light inextensible string. It rises to a height of h as shown. Show that the velocity of the bullet is given by v is equal to lowercase m at capital M over lowercase m multiplied by root 2g h. Now, to do this question, first we need to think about the conservation of momentum. So we are going to consider this collision here. So we can say that the initial momentum is equal to final momentum to the right. So the initial momentum is the momentum of the bullet because the mass is at rest. So initial momentum is simply mv. Final momentum, now this gets embedded in it. So capital M here, lowercase m here. So the final mass is m at m. Let's say the velocity at which it leaves after the collision is u. So m at m times by u. Now, my question is to find this velocity v. So let's make that subject. V is equal to m at m over this m becomes a division times u. Now, I know my question is to show this. Now I can clearly see I already got this part here. So that's all right. So if I can show somehow that u is equal to root 2gh, I can substitute. So this is the thinking process. So how do I do that? To do this, you need to use the conservation of energy. Now, at this position, the total energy of the system is in the form of kinetic energy. So the kinetic energy is maximum here. And at this point, here, it comes to stop. So obviously, kinetic energy is 0, but GPE is maximum. So what really happens is, kinetic energy is lost and it's converted into GPE. So let's write, kinetic energy lost is equal to GPE gained. Kinetic energy is half mv squared, m is m at m. V is the u here, initial velocity, so u squared is equal to mgh. So m and m, g, and the height is h. Now, obviously, m and m gets cancelled out both sides. So I know u squared is equal to this division 2 becomes multiplication 2g h. So u is square root of 2g h. What I'm going to do is substitute this root 2g h in here. So I get v is equal to m at m over m. Instead of u, I can put root 2gh, which is exactly what the question is asking us to do.